Hi, this is the full review and overview of the car mirror with the LCD screen. It has a built-in Bluetooth. You can connect USB and SD card. It has a built-in FM transmitter. You can have a microphone, it goes here. And also it has one video input, one video output here, so you can connect your reversing camera. Here I'm testing. Connections are very simple. So the main cable here, my camera zoom, okay, this is the main connector here. It has three wires. The blue one ignition, the red one with the fuse, it's a battery, and the black one is ground. So now I have connected to the home power source. Red one battery, the black one is ground. So even if your car engine is switched off, you can still switch on mirror and play your music files, pictures, videos, whatever. So let's switch off, and as soon, this is the power cable, I have extension here. As soon as your engine is switched on, like this, the screen is switching on automatically. And let's test the reversing camera. So reversing camera has also very simple connectors. Red one goes to the reversing light plus, and this is to the ground. So as soon as I touch the here 12 volt, you can see camera switches on, off, on. So it's very easy to operate and to connect. So what do we have here? Okay, I already have SD card inside with files. I think it's up to 32 gigabyte SD card and up to 32 gigabyte USB flash drive. So, and I have already paired my cell phone. So you can operate either using remote control or through the buttons here. You can adjust brightness, contrast, color, tint, screen, widescreen or 4:3. So here's rotation and FM transmitter settings. FM transmitter settings, so you will choose the available channel on your radio, and if it goes below 87.7, you will switch it off. That's the way how to switch it off. So, for example, I choose here 88.5 frequency, and the same frequency is free on my radio, car radio. It will transmit now all voice music, Bluetooth voice into your car speakers through your radio. So this is also a very good option here. And okay, and also like if you play video files here, like movies, or the voice goes through from transmitter through your car radio to your car speakers, so you will see 7-inch screen movie, and you can hear all voice from your car speakers. Of course, also it has built-in speaker at the back, so if you don't use the FM transmitter, if it's in off position, then you can hear everything from the speaker built into the mirror. So let's go through the functions here. Let's test for example USB here. So now I went to the MP5 mode. I can choose either files from the USB, photos separately, music, movie files. Okay, let's watch movie. I have here movie, and now it will load the movie. Because I have FM transmitter switched on, you cannot hear the voice now here, but I have radio here. So let's assume this is your car radio. So I have tuned also 88.5 here. So just to show you how does it work. So you hear voices coming through the radio here. Okay, let's put, and then go to the menu to the FM transmitter, and now I can go 87.6, let's say. Now it's switched off. So now if I go back and start playing movie, DVD2, so this is MP5, so you will see all the voice goes not from the radio here, but from the back speaker here. So just to demonstrate how does it work. So here you can fast forward or back 2, 3, and 4. The 4 times speed, no more. So let's go back and let's go back and switch on the FM transmitter. 88.5 I have here, and okay, now I can go and check the SD card. So MP5 here. So it's loading the files, and it starts playing the last known track or movie. So I go exit here, and it goes into the other files here. I go exit, and okay, exit from here. So now it's and exit again. So now I went to the main MP5 mode, and I can choose here SD card. Okay, and first we can go and check the settings. There are a lot of settings here. Language setting, the slideshow mode, music repeat, movie repeat, display mode, the screen size, TV system, NTSC or PAL. Okay, I need PAL, but it played that video on NTSC. Auto run, default, reset, that's it. So SD card, let's go to the SD card. So you have photos, you can go watch your photos here. So I have just a few photos here. I think it's a music cover. But the same way you can view your photos, for example. So music or movie file. Let's go to the music files. So you can play all your music files from SD card. Now there are folders. I have a few folders here just to test. And let's play something. Okay, now it's not playing, but you cannot hear anything at the back because as I explained you, it's connected through the FM transmitter to this radio. So as soon as
I've been to all the familiar places. I've been running like a sentence. Never I've been looking the first part of this.
so now it's so let's leave it play, and also here you can fast forward. Next step. So you hear the noise on the background. It's because when I push the pause, you hear the noise. It's because I have next station on my radio too close to this frequency. It's just I did quick channel search, but you have to choose the available free frequency on your radio, which is not so close to the radio station. So otherwise you will hear the noise at the background. But anyways, just to demonstrate you how does it work. So okay, let's switch it off. And then next, let's go to the, so we tested USB, SD, and okay, and let's test also Bluetooth. For example, I can, if your phone is paired, mirror is paired with your Bluetooth, you can play tracks from your mobile phone. So let's see here. So okay. Alright, so there is your answer. Actually, there was transmitter connected, but I think it's okay. Let's volume. The reason why it's playing at the back, it's because for the incoming Bluetooth calls, if, for example, if your radio is switched off, like now I have switched off radio, if it would be always constantly connected, like without the speaker, you wouldn't hear your call. So this is actually, doing this review, I found that it's double voice, like speaker in the mirror, plus you can listen music here. So pause, play, next song, and again I need to tune. So yeah, now you hear volume here. So in the same way, for example, you have radio stations here, in online radio stations. You can hear your online radio station from your phone, transmit it to the mirror via Bluetooth, and mirror transmits into your car radio. So now it's buffering. So you can adjust volume from your phone, or from here, or so let's test one more thing. I try to take the volume down here, and yeah, and it still plays here, or you can even mute. Okay, volume. So yeah, one thing which is which could be here, it's a mute button, for example, but I don't see here a mute button. But anyway, now you know how does it works. So you can just turn down volume from your mirror and still listen. Okay, and let's test Bluetooth function. So I'm gonna try to call in from the other phone. Okay. Now I'm calling here. Okay. And you will be able to see the number who's calling. And okay, hang up. And let's try this function here with the radio switched on. So same way I'm gonna call from. Now it's calling again. Okay, radio is too close to the Bluetooth. Anyway, it's just to the so. Okay, now we're here. So that's how it works. Okay, I think yeah. I'm sorry about my review is too long, but I wanted to go through all functions so you know what you're buying. Alright, and this is the microphone. You can connect into the mirror here, so then you can speak here or not into your phone, because you can set up your phone for Bluetooth incoming calls to answer the calls after 2-3 rings, for example. Otherwise you have to answer your phone manually, like to accept here, and then you can talk either inside microphone here if you don't have this connected, or if this is connected. The good point would be set up the answering automatically after 2-3 rings, then it automatically answers and you can speak here and listen to the voice from the speakers or from the mirror speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.